Hi guys, I hope that you're all having a fabulous day. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really quick Gucci small leather good unboxing, so I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure and give it a thumbs up, and without further ado, let's get started, shall we? Alright, so this was not planned, alright? In my defense, it was not planned. I have been trying to be really good when it comes to small leather goods, and I failed because Gucci last Friday, they actually launched their lifestyle line or what have you, and I was just browsing, you know, the items that they had on there, and one of them definitely caught my eye, and I ended up just kind of clicking and adding to cart. So like I said, in my defense, I wasn't looking for it. I just thought it was super, super cute, and I thought that it would end up working out pretty nicely for what it is that I want to use it for. So this is a true unboxing. I have everything in here. I haven't opened it up. I haven't done a true unboxing in forever, but can we just for a moment just really talk about Gucci's packaging? I absolutely love it. The moss green, I think it's beautiful, and whatever you buy from their online store, they always come in something like this. So here I have my receipt, and they also come with little totes. The Ophidia tote actually came with this ginormous, I mean enormous tote like this. It's probably like, I'm looking at it right now, it's probably like maybe 4 feet wide. I'm not even kidding you. It is enormous. So when I opened it up and I saw this, I was like, oh, that's so cute. A little tote bag. All right, so here is the item. Love, love, love the packaging. I love what they're doing. Okay, so let's do this, shall we? All right, like I said, it wasn't planned. There we go. So inside you have the, oh, well, you have, what is this? This is, I think they're just the care booklets. It came with 3 different care booklets. But here is the item in the dust bag that says Gucci. And I also have the SKU card right over here as well, right? Yeah. Okay, so I ended up picking up this beauty right here. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Okay, so like I said, this is from their lifestyle line, and it is technically it's the playing card set with the playing card case holder or what have you. So this is, I figured when I saw it, I was like, ooh, that's really cute. I wonder if I can use it just as a regular card case. So the measurements on it, according to the website, are 3.5 inches in length and 2.8 inches in height and approximately 1 inch in depth. So I did end up measuring my driver's license and my credit cards, and it should fit like a glove. So I was like, okay, this is pretty cool, but I think it's so incredibly cute. And you have the Supreme canvas, and you have the gold hardware, of course, and the red and green signature Gucci webbing. So there's the front side view, back side, another side view. So it is a zip around card case. So here are the cards, and yeah, so you have a stack of Gucci cards, and then you just have an open compartment. Here is the control card, but here is just the open compartment. Check that out. I thought this was perfect. So it says Gucci made in Italy, and the same type of, oh my gosh, the same type of motif that's inside is actually on the outside of the cards. Now, truth be told, like I said, I'm not looking to use the cards. If anything, I might end up getting rid of these or selling these. That way I can end up using this just as a card case. And when it launched on Friday, I actually, it retailed for $290 here in the States, which I thought was a pretty good price considering the other Ophidia card cases that they had, or just other card cases in general. They're a little bit more expensive, especially with the zip closure. But I checked it this morning, and now the price is $320. They have another card case exactly like this for the playing cards that has this motif on the outside, or this, I think it's called Radura printing or something like that. It has this same stuff on the outside, and that one's $290. So I don't know if it was mismarked or if maybe they decide to increase the price, I have no idea. But I think this is pretty cool, you know? So the fact that I was able to get it for the $2.90 when it first launched, you know, and I'm able to use it as a little wallet. But I love that it's just an open compartment. And I also brought out the Chanel O-Zip coin purse just to give you guys a size comparison. You guys know that this Chanel O-Zip coin purse is like my end-all be-all when it comes to small wallets. I think it's fabulous. But here it is next to the playing card case. There we are, side by side. They are pretty much the same depth. The only difference is that the Chanel one seems to be just a tad longer than the Gucci. But there we go. And of course, with the Chanel one, you do have the 3 different compartments. It's mostly made of leather, and you do have some fabric on those same compartments. And for the classic ones, I do believe that they retail for, I think, $600 or $650 here in the States. Whereas this guy, like I said, it retails for $320 now, and you mostly have the fabric, or you have the canvas, and then you also have the fabric on the interior, and you do have some leather. But you're talking about a 50%, pretty much a 50% difference when it comes to price. But I thought that this was really, really cute, and let's do the old test as far as if cards fit. So I do have 2 cards here, and I'm able to fit them in no problem. So this is officially my new Gucci small wallet, my new Gucci zipped wallet, if you will. And I think that, like I said before, you can definitely get away with using this for a small catch-all if you wanted to as well, or for your AirPods. I'm sure they can fit in there also. But I think it's adorable. So if you're in the market for a new wallet from Gucci, and maybe you're not the biggest fan of the card cases or the card holders that they currently have on the website, definitely check this guy out. And let me get you the exact name of it. Hang on, let's see. On the website, it is officially the playing card set with the double G. It currently retails for $320, but as I mentioned previously, I was able to pick it up the day that it launched for $290. And let's see, what else does it say? The zipped closure, double G and green and red web at the front, Radura print playing cards. Yeah, so it has the beige and ebony GG Supreme canvas. So I thought that was pretty amazing. And again, here are the cards, and as you can see, it has the Gucci GG right there. There we go. So getting rid of these super cute cards, but really, yeah, not a fan. I'm more of a fan of the case, so that way I can use it as a wallet. So I'm really happy with it. And yeah, just thought I would share. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. And again, if you are in the market for a new small wallet, a new small zipped wallet from Gucci, and you're not a fan of the others, definitely check out the playing card set. That way you can either end up keeping the cards or get rid of them or sell them the way that I'm going to. And then you are left with a fabulous, compact small leather good. So there we go. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I will see you on my next one. And as always, make it a fabulous day or not, the choice is yours. Have a great day.